Guys, now I'll guide you how to create a network load balancer in Google Cloud Platform. Then first click on navigation menu, then scroll down and go to the networking section. Click on network services, click on load balancing, then click on create load balancer here, then select network load balancer here as you can see here, then click on next. Then you can select proxy load balancer or pass-through load balancer based on your project requirement. You can select it guys. I selected as here proxy load balancer here. Then you can select the public facing or internal facing based on your requirement. Then click on next. You can select also global or single region based on your requirement. Then you can select the global external proxy network load balancer or classic proxy network load balancer as per your requirement. Then click on next, then click on configure. Then first add the name of the network load balancer. For an example, the name is network, the project ID is 101, and then the load balancer name is LB. I added the name of the load balancer here. Then click on backend. Then the backend load configuration is default as you can see here. Then select your instance group here guys. Always select instance group. Then select your instance group. I have instance group here, so that I selected the instance group here, and the port number 80 as I can select here. Then click on done. Then select the health check. I select the health check, already I created my server health check. Then I think backend configuration is done. Then click on front end. The name of the front end is new front end. The name of the front end as I mentioned here as the new front end. And always you selected the TCP here guys. If you selected SSL, then it required for the certificate and everything detail, but you don't have any certificate till now, because in your the applications having the certificate, that certificate will be provide secure to your application, but I don't have any certificate here, so that I selected here TCP here. Then you can select your port number, change the port number 80 and whatever that. Then you can click on done. As you can see here, the front end configuration also completed here now. Then click on review and finalize. If you miss anything, you can review first, then you can click on create. After successful verified, then click on create button here and wait a couple of seconds to create your network load balancer in Google Cloud Platform. Guys, as you can see here, the network load balancer is successfully created here now. If you want to delete the network load balancer, then select here, then click on delete, then click on delete load balancer here and wait a couple of minutes to delete your network load balancer. I hope so guys, you can understand now. This is so simple step, you can easily create it. As you can see here, the network load balancer is successfully deleted here now. Thank you. If you are into tech and want to stay ahead of the game, then you have got to subscribe and like to the Sairaj Tech Cloud YouTube channel. Don't miss out on the latest tech trends and tips. Hit that subscribe button now and join the tech community at Sairaj Tech Cloud.